When I was in high school, I was a really lazy student. I was not motivated at all, you know. All I wanted to do was just party and play guitar. And I had this really naive idea that I would be a rock star, you know, and go and study music. So I didn't actually go to university directly after high school. I decided to take a year and I started to work. Started to work in a hotel, cleaning in the kitchen. And I hated it. I really hated the job. I don't even really like cleaning in my kitchen now. Can you imagine cleaning for 10 hours? So at the time, I felt like it was a terrible decision. I felt it was like the worst thing in the world. I felt like I had no future or anything. But the really cool thing was the Brazilians, you know. I made really good friends with Brazilian guys working there in my town. And I could see that they had serious problems with communication at work. Like they couldn't really speak and understand English so well. And because they were my friends, I started to help them, you know. And this was the big thing about why I decided to become a teacher, was because I was useful. I was helping them. It was this good sensation, you know. And when I think about it today, if I hadn't decided to take a year and to work, I don't think I would have become a teacher. I'm not sure if I would have studied something. I think I would have studied something for sure. But it wouldn't have been my passion. It wouldn't have been what I really wanted to do. And it was this terrible decision that in the end was actually a really good decision.